Need images for your video but don't have any ready? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to search and insert web images directly into your project. Before we start, you can visit VideoGen.io to follow along with the steps. If you're watching on social media, you can find the link in the description. Let's start by finding an image. On the left sidebar, open the Create tab, where you'll see different creative tools. From there, select Web Images. Now, you can type in a keyword to search for images online. Take a moment to browse and find something that fits your video. Let's get it into your video in just a few clicks. Once you find an image you like, simply click on it. It will be added directly into your timeline. From here, you can move it around, resize it, or adjust it to fit your scene. Take a moment to position it where it works best. All right, let's explain how the right image can make your video more effective. With your image added, think about the impact it has on your video. The right visuals can highlight important information, illustrate concepts, and create a more engaging viewing experience. Keep your visuals relevant and consistent to give your video a polished, professional feel. Web images make it easy to quickly add visuals to your video. With just a few clicks, you can find and use images that fit your content. Sign up and try VideoGen today.